guys. I've been asked to make a video on my orange oil and wax finish. All my finishes are made here because they're just too expensive. Sometimes you can't, well, most times you can't buy them here, and the ones you can buy here are usually synthetic and very expensive. So it's a lot of trial and error. Basically, for all my waxes I use beeswax, but it's the white beeswax, not the amber beeswax. You can buy that on eBay. It's quite cheap. One of the other waxes I use are these flakes. These are Carnauba wax flakes, and I got those on eBay again, and from China. Very cheap on eBay. Sometimes you can get them free shipping, because shipping in Thailand is just offensively expensive if you want stuff shipped here. But eBay, and so I use that. I also use, again from eBay, 100% pure orange oil. And again, this is from eBay. This is 250 ml. I think it cost me about 18 US, including the freight. And that comes from India, again on eBay. One of the other products I use, not very much because this is just very, very expensive. And I got this. This is called Organ Oil, and it's 100% pure natural oil, hard burnishing oil, interior surface sealer, and it's specifically made for chopping boards, bar tops, bench tops, bowls, and things like that. It's very, very expensive. This is 500 ml. That cost me 28 Australian dollars, which I think is probably about $20 US. But this is made by organoil.com.au, but I'm sure any finishing oil would be okay. I wouldn't use mineral oils. Mineral oil tends to be a preservative, not a finish. I've got some walnut oil coming from India, from the same people as I bought the orange oil from, so I'm going to try that. And my favourite product, which you can buy here in Thailand without any problem, is pure ethanol, alcohol. In America and in Europe and Australia, they mix ethanol with methanol, which is highly dangerous and highly toxic, to form methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. This is the real McCoy, and I get this from a hospital laboratory supplier. This is 2.5 litres, and that cost me about $15, I think. But yeah, that's available in Thailand. But of course, I don't know if you can buy it. I doubt whether you can buy it anywhere else. But surely methylated spirits, denatured alcohol, I use that. Now, in the orange oil wax mixture, I only use that to help thin down the other products. It was a trial and error basis. So basically, what I do in a beaker like this, plastic throwaway beaker, I use 1/3 of the fluid, 1/3 oil, 1/3 orange oil, and 1/3 ethanol or alcohol, and I just kept that in a screw top jar before I decided what to do there. When I did decide to practice a little bit, I shaved off about maybe a dessert spoonful of beeswax. Shaved it off, and maybe a teaspoon of the Carnauba wax. As I say, it's trial and error. I put the waxes in this El Cheapo aluminium bucket, which I then placed in a pan of hot water until both waxes melt. Didn't take very long at all. while it's still fluid and it's still hot, take it away from the boiler and pour in your liquid mixture and stir it rapidly because it cools down very quickly. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. If you do need, if it does coagulate and not mix smoothly, just stick it back in the hot water and keep stirring it in the hot water until it forms a thick liquid. At which point, and as I say, just experiment a little bit with the mine wasn't scientific at all. It was just hit and miss. Now I poured the mixture. That mixture I just gave you gave me about half of this small water bottle of finished product. Now the amount of liquid was probably only you take one of these plastic cups, they hold about 200 ml, I guess, and they've got the takeaway coffee cup, just a third. Of course, as you go up it gets bigger, so you've got to just measure it out first and put it in. But as I say, it's not scientific, it's hit and miss. Now, you end up with, don't make too much to begin with, you end up with this nice creamy mixture. What'll happen is that when you get the bottle, and it's not cold here, I mean it's cold for us, but for you people in America and Europe, it's not cold. It's not cold here. This goes sort of very thick in the bottle, so that's why when on the video the other day, if you're watching the video, you'll see me shaking it. Howard's Feed and Wax, which is too expensive for me to buy here, is similarly the same. It's quite thick when you buy it. So you shake it up and it mixes quite easily once it's shaken up, and you end up with that creamy mixture. And when I've finished with that one, I'm quite happy with the finish this gives me using those quantities. I just didn't write it down, but what I will do, I will measure exactly the mixtures, and I will post the measurements up on YouTube in a little bit. In a few weeks maybe, when I've gone through the other one, I'm ready to make some more and give you the exact quantity. But as I say, it's not scientific. So I hope you get something out of this. All my finishes. This is another mixture. This is shellac with beeswax. It's an experiment. Shell and wax. You can see that's quite. And then you have to give it a shake, and it mixes up. It mixes quite well. That's shellac and wax. Again, not a scientific process. I put alcohol in this little old deodorant bottle, which is good for spraying. But let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been helpful, and please let me know what you think in the comments below.